look, he's running. Alright, we're downtown and at the Spokane Falls. It's pretty beast. Kind of have to go around, but check it out. You can kind of see it. You can kind of see it. Look. Yeah, but it looks cooler from down there. Like we can get really close down there. Yeah, dude.
Like right down there.
Check it out. Whoa, look at all those bugs. Can you see those bugs? Kind of gross.
That looks pretty cool though.
Check it out, man.
Like 3 days ago, it probably didn't look half that cool.
I know, right? Jump, jump, slide, hump, hump, glide. Can you hear it? Can you hear the roar? Check it.
People are standing over there. I had some pictures on Facebook. We were throwing rocks in to see if we can get them to bounce off that little wall right there. Yeah. And we totally did them. No, you can. Like you penetrate it and it just bounces out. It's really cool. Yeah.
Get raped. No, I won't. I just have to outrun Andrew.
What did you just say?
I said I might get raped, and then I said no, I won't. I just have to outrun you.
I'll rape them.
Go for it, you rapist.
If I get raped, I'll just knock the crap out of you.
It's so dark over here.
Oh, this fucking shit.
It's kind of cool. Oh my gosh, Andrew!
Like, this is the coolest thing I've seen in a long time.
Isn't nature awesome? Nature's just awesome. There's a ball down there. Anyway. Alright, well, see you soon.
It's like an oxymoron, Kyle. Let's put your outdoors instead of that. It's so cool. One of these days,
I want to go swimming.
One of these days, we gotta get everyone together and we'll float the Spokane River.
We can do that.
Watch out.
Some inner tubes or something.
I'm impressed.
You're impressed?
I need to run.
Why?
I want to get some of those short riding shorts so when I go riding.
No.
We'll be like, ah! Oh, my eyes! Why does...
It's kind of like a giant pool. So now we're on the other side of the falls because the other videos I was up there. And now we're over here. Now we're down here. See what it's like. Who is that? You know them? There's some people up there. I don't know what they're doing.
sustainability too.
How do you feel about that?